In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to start an affiliate marketing business online from scratch. So I have been promoting this training. The name is Freedom Accelerator, and affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products. And you can go to affiliate marketplaces such as ClickBank, Digistore24, or Share a Sale, and you can find products to promote. Although I like to promote high-ticket products, but from private networks. For example, this is a private network, and these are my affiliate links. And if someone buys from these links, I can make a commission. Now, let me show you that to start making commissions with affiliate marketing, you need to set up a 24/7 sales system or a sales funnel. And here I'm going to show you. This system is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem because you are promoting multiple affiliate products when you collect a name and an email. So the first thing is to drive traffic to your opt-in page, and you are going to collect an email, and then you need to send all these emails. For example, the first email could be a YouTube video, which is a welcome email. Then you can promote your main core offer, then your Facebook group to build a relationship with your subscribers. Then you can promote the supporting offer number 1, and you can see we have multiple affiliate offers that we can send through email. And basically I built this whole system using 2 softwares. So the first software is ClickFunnels, and you can use this one to build that opt-in page. So I'm going to click here on edit page because I want to show you the elements of this simple page. So this is a one-page website, and what it does is that collect the name and the email, and also if people want, they can put their cell phone number. So check this out. So it has a title, which is the most important thing of this opt-in page. And then, okay, so this is the title. It has also this button, and I direct traffic to this opt-in page, and when people click this button, this pop-up appears, and I can collect the name and the email. And people are going to find all the information, a picture of the ebook, my own photo, and more info here. So when people put their information, this software is going to send that info to another software, but people are going to follow a series of steps. They are going to go to the second page and then to the bridge page. And the bridge page is important because here I have recorded my own video in which I talk about the product, and if they click this button, get started today, they will go to my affiliate link, which is this link. And if they put the information, I'm going to have here other referral, and if they buy, I can make more commissions. But more importantly, I have collected the email, and ClickFunnels sends that information to get response. And as you can see in the screen, I have collected 1,191 emails. So if I click on tools and then automation, I'm going to show you the affiliate stacking ecosystem, which is basically emails in which I promote the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, ClickFunnels, Get Response, and also I give valuable information to my email list. For example, these first 2 emails, these are an affiliate marketing training. Then get response, wait for 1 day, and send the free training number 2. Wait for another day and send the free training number 3, and so on. I can add here multiple emails to promote offers, which is this entire system. Now, you can do this by using these frameworks, how to build the automated sales system. So this is the whole training that I followed to build that system. But if you don't want to build this system by yourself, there is another option using this software. The name is funnelfreedom.io. So the creator of the Freedom Accelerator, which is a high-ticket product, is going to launch this brand new software in which this is like a ClickFunnels and GetResponse combined. So we have here the dashboard, conversations, we can book appointments, we can store our contacts, and also we can build sales funnels, do email marketing. And if I click here on this tab, Funnel Freedom, and click on affiliate link settings, you're going to see that I have here all my affiliate links for these products, for the 72-hour challenge, for Freedom Accelerator, for Funnel Freedom, because we can promote also this software, Secrets of Success, which is the new training of Russell Brunson, which is about mindset, Systems.io, which is a software to build sales funnels, Reportpros.io, and these products, and we can promote these products using this tool. So if I click on sites, because I want to show you the lead magnet that we're going to give in exchange for the email. So in this case, the lead magnet is an ebook, and people put their information in this opt-in page because they want access to the ebook. But in this case, we're giving away this free course, Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. And the opt-in page that I'm testing, it's this one. So you can see in the screen, it has a opt-in page, then a bridge page, and then it has 7 modules or 7 lessons. And this is the opt-in page. How anyone can launch the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated online business from home. And when people click here, I can collect the name and the email. And once I have stored that information, I'm going to send the free course through email. And then the software is going to send emails that I didn't write. I have here in emails, then on templates. It's going to send emails to promote all those products that I just showed to you. The 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Wealth Warriors, Legendary Marketer. For example, this email is to promote Legendary Marketer. This is for Freedom Accelerator. And it's going to send all these emails automatically to promote the products. So here, you don't need, using this software, you don't need to build this entire ecosystem. You just need to drive traffic to the opt-in page. And the way to set up this, I have recorded videos. I have recorded videos how to set up this tab from the Freedom, which is only like a copy and paste one value, and you are going to have here the settings, the profile plus social settings, and the affiliate link settings. And then you need to go to every of these pages, for example, the Udemy, GetResponse, sign up for the affiliate programs and copy and paste your own affiliate links so you can promote all of these products. For example, here I need to copy and paste here the legendary marketer affiliate link and for web warriors. These are the only two that I'm missing right now. So if you want to get access to this software, you can click the first link in the description. Also, all these modules from all these lessons, if you want to get access to this training, you can find the link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.